Imagine a captain navigating the vast ocean without a compass or map. Trading without the right tools can feel just as daunting. This is where TradingView comes in. Stepping into the world of TradingView might seem overwhelming at first, but fear not. The search bar is your gateway. Type in Bitcoin or BTC to bring up its chart. Each candlestick represents a time frame, like 1 day or 1 hour. Green candles indicate upward movement. Red candles signal downward trends. Customize the time frame to see daily or hourly fluctuations. Use drawing tools to highlight trends or support and resistance levels. Indicators provide deeper insights into momentum and technical aspects. Just as a captain adjusts the sails to navigate different weather conditions, TradingView allows you to personalize your experience to suit your preferences. One of the simplest, yet impactful customizations is the color scheme. Prefer a light background for daytime trading? No problem. Prefer a darker theme for late-night analysis? TradingView has you covered, but the customization goes beyond aesthetics. TradingView's comparison tool allows you to analyze different assets side by side. Curious how Bitcoin's performance stacks up against Ethereum's? Simply type in ETH in the comparison search bar, and voila! You can now observe their price movements in relation to each other. This feature is invaluable for identifying potential correlations or divergences between assets, providing a more comprehensive view of market dynamics. You can even compare different time frames of the same asset, analyzing how daily movements relate to weekly trends. Remember, TradingView is your personalized trading command center. Experiment with different customization options, explore various chart types, and find what works best for your trading style and preferences. Section 4. Charting your destination, watch lists, and community insights. No captain sets sail without a clear destination in mind. In trading, your watch list serves as your map, guiding you towards the assets you're most interested in. TradingView makes managing your watch list effortless. Found a cryptocurrency or stock that piques your interest? Simply click the Add to Watch List button, usually represented by a plus sign next to the asset's name. Your watch list acts as a personalized dashboard, displaying real-time price updates and key metrics for your chosen assets. This allows you to stay informed about their performance at a glance, making it easier to spot potential trading opportunities or manage your existing positions. But TradingView's true strength lies in its vibrant community. The Ideas tab is a treasure trove of insights, analysis, and trading strategies shared by fellow traders. Here, you can explore ideas on various assets, learn from experienced traders, and even share your own analysis. Think of the Ideas tab as a bustling marketplace of trading knowledge. You can filter ideas by asset, time frame, or even trading style to find content relevant to your interests. Section 5. Mastering Navigation, TradingView's educational treasures. Every seasoned captain undergoes rigorous training to master the art of navigation. Similarly, TradingView provides a wealth of educational resources to help you hone your trading skills. The Academy section is a fantastic starting point. Here you'll find a curated collection of articles, videos, and interactive courses, covering everything from basic trading concepts to advanced technical analysis techniques. These resources are designed to cater to all levels, from complete beginners to experienced traders looking to expand their knowledge. For those who prefer a more self-directed learning approach, the TradingView Wiki is an invaluable resource. It's a comprehensive repository of information on all things TradingView, from platform features and tools to trading strategies and technical indicators. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to dive in, explore the platform, and experiment with its features. The more you use TradingView, the more comfortable and confident you'll become in navigating the exciting world of financial markets. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.